What's up, YouTube? Conduit coming with another video. I got a question for you guys. Basically, I've been working on the Delta, which you guys just seen that, and the Regal. You know, the Regal still, you know, it's still in the motion, still in the game. You know, we got LS swaps and stuff going on over here for our ladies. But this right here. All right, that's a Quadrajet off like a 1978 Delta with just the HEI advance for the vacuum advance for the distributor or whatever. I'm not really up to speed on all this carburetor stuff. But anyways, this car used to have the computer junk on it. And I'm trying to figure out how can I get rid of all of this stuff, you know. I know I need this because it goes to the alternator. And then I don't want this. I want to get a block off plate for that. I got a new like carburetor kit for all this stuff. And then I just, you know, I pulled all this back. This is stuff that was all connected. And then I got to put this back on to balance things back out. But I need to know, how can I take the computer system off this car? I don't want the computer system on the car. I just want it to be carbureted, you know, with a vacuum advance. I want it to be basic. Please let me know if you guys have any answers. I want to get rid of all that stuff, all this stuff too. This stuff I want it out as well. I just want to be able to see the engine. I don't want to see all that junk, you know. So let me know. Inbox me, you know, put it in the comment section if you're on Facebook. Send me a DM, YouTube comment section. If you like the video, go ahead and thumbs up it. If you want to see more content, you want to see the end game for that or the end game for this, right? Go ahead and subscribe. That's all for today, guys. Peace.